What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2019 Dodge Ram, and I'm going to show y'all how to take this door panel off and swap out these speakers. Now, if it's your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&A, speaker installs, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you want to do is either or. You can come behind here, and there's a little notch right there. We want to stick something like a little flat profile or something like that. Come in, and we want to pop that piece off. All right, now know that it has these little things at the top that will snap off, but it also has a clip at the bottom that needs to pop off. So we'll put that right there. We also have another one right here at the top. Let me see if I can have my camera at that view. And that just pops off. Once those things pop off, these are literally the only screws that we have. We have 3 10 mils. We have those 2 at the bottom, and we have one right here behind there. Now with this door panel, you have a clip here, and a clip there. So instead of lifting up, you're going to be popping that out. You also have a clip right there, and then you also have them all across the bottom. So what I usually do is I'll come down here to the bottom part and see if I can get my finger up under there. Do a little pull like that. All right. And we're literally just popping this thing up. All right, and I'm gonna come up here, make sure all that's good. Grab it at the top, pop that clip. Grab this one at the top, pop that clip. Now we have one more. I need 2 hands for this one though. All right, so now that we have all of our clips out, come down here and take this harness out just by pressing the little middle button in and pulling down. Now right here on this clip, you want to squeeze that in. So let's push this in. I need 2 hands. Let's see if I can do it with one. Push. Once you get those things pushed in, it'll go in like that, and then you pull it out, come to the front, and that's how that gets off. So this gives you a better look of how it actually looks, and you want to squeeze this part. You can use. Now we are only here stuck with 4 6 mil bolts. Get those 6 mils out. There's a little, they're stuck in there, but once you get that out, we have one harness pull, and then that's that speaker. We're gonna put that speaker right there. We're gonna take our speaker harness. That makes our install life easier, because we don't have to worry about finding out which one's positive and negative, because it already lets us know right here. We're gonna take our aftermarket speaker and apply our ends on the end. And push those terminals down. It's literally that simple. You hear those small little clicks, and now we're just gonna screw them in. Put our screws back in. All right, y'all, so that's about it, man. We're gonna go ahead and put the door panel back on. Doing speakers is pretty easy. You just gotta know how to take the door panel off. So I hope you actually got some value from this type of video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. The links will be in the description. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Peace.